this one because this one don't look right. I mean, it look right, but it's just, you know what I'm saying? Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is a day in my life video, and I will show you guys how to meal prep breakfast for weight loss and just take you guys throughout my day as far as me spending time with my family and meal prepping breakfast for the beginning of the week. So for this portion of the video, I'm simply getting ready for the day. Guys, I'm doing something simple, quick, and easy to my hair. I twisted it the night before. I added some water and mousse to my hair and just twisted it. And all I'm going to do is just wear a ponytail today. And I have on a t-shirt and some jeans, and I'm going to wear some sneakers. Guys, I'm the type of woman, I like to be comfortable, and a good t-shirt and jeans will do just fine for me. Okay, my chat partners, so now I'm getting ready to add some Pond's moisturizer to my face. And guys, I like to wear Pond's moisturizer because it takes that dull look away from my skin and gives it like a shiny, glowy look. And I like that. And I'm also going to brush my eyebrows. Guys, I love brushing my eyebrows. That's something that I do. I'm not one that wear makeup all the time. That's just not my thing. I mean, I'm not going to say it's not my thing. Put it like this. I'm more of a natural woman. Let's just say that. I'm looking all up at the vent while I'm trying to talk to y'all, but it's okay. I got you guys in an awkward position because we just got home. We ran to the grocery store to get a couple of items, and I just wanted to do a little haul for you guys, just a real quick one, really quickly, because we got things to do today. So that's my husband bringing the water in because, of course, always get your H2O. 2 things of tofu, turkey sausage, some cheese, 2 things of granola, and guys, we made sure that it has no genetically bioengineered ingredients. So yeah, some aluminum foil, and plus we had to go to the store because I'm going to make some egg bites. That's basically what this video is going to be about, just meal prepping for breakfast for weight loss. Got some more extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. I love to use this. See, like I told y'all, I got y'all in an awkward position and stuff just falling out. Got some more tuna creations. The hickory smoked is my favorite so far, and I also got this wild Alaskan salmon. So yeah, guys, I got 2 of those. Well, 2 tunas and 1 salmon because I was running low, and it's just something I like to eat. It could be for my dinner or a snack or just lunch in general. Got some bananas, of course, some bell peppers, some frozen broccoli, some frozen blueberries. Then we got some plant-based items as well, mushrooms, almond butter, and I wanted to try these sweet potato chips with sea salt, and it says it's made from sweet potatoes, no synthetic colors, no artificial flavors, no chemical preservatives. And I also checked it back to make sure it didn't have any bioengineered, so this is just going to be a little snack. You know, guys, it's kind of rough, but you know, you got to do what you got to do. Okay, this is stuff for our animals. I don't need to go over that. I mean, some of y'all might like an animal haul. I'll show y'all what we got the animals. Got some more dish detergent. So we got Curtis, our cat, some soft irresistibles made with meat chicken. He really liked these, and Princess like them too, our dog. So got some of these for him and her, and got Princess some chicken bites. And we got her that because that's like the only thing right now that doesn't upset her stomach. And then we got Curtis some crispy different types of cat food that he likes. We like to get him the shreds kind, and we also like to get him the indoor meaty bites because to me it's more in a can. And we got Princess some Purina one chicken, and it's the ground kind. It's really, really soft, so that's what we're giving her now. Okay, so we got bags and bags of that for the animals. Got some potatoes, of course. Another snack we got is this Russell Stover sugar-free, made with stevia extract. And we got the Pecan Delight. These are really, really good, guys. It is not sweet at all. And we really like it. Like, when you're trying to eat better and do better, find alternatives if you have a sweet tooth or just want a snack to trick yourself. Try something like this. We got some more frozen fruit. And we got 2 things of Eggland's Best eggs. Because like I said, this video is basically me meal prepping breakfast for weight loss. And so we had to go to the grocery store and get a couple of items. So yeah, guys, so this is the things that we got. And it's not too much. And guys, like I said, whenever you are going through a weight loss journey or lifestyle change, just whatever, you have to grocery shop to get the things that works for you and what you like. Yeah, people can make recommendations. However, you have to work, get things that your body likes and your body needs and things of that nature. So yeah, guys, so I'm going to put this stuff up, and then I'll come back with you guys later on because I got some stuff I got to do. But I'm going to come back, and later on I'm going to show you guys how I make the egg bites. I've already made them before in previous videos, so check through my videos, guys. But however, I'm going to make them again, and I'm going to make some salmon cakes as well. So those are some of the items I'm going to prep for breakfast this week. And also we have the frozen fruit, and the frozen fruit is something we're going to use for smoothies as well, because we make smoothies for breakfast as well. So that's a part of meal prepping. So we got the egg bites, and then some days I don't want to eat eggs, I'm gonna have the salmon cakes for breakfast. I have some potatoes.
I'll wait for y'all to get y'all food.
So y'all, just wanted to check in with y'all real quick. Throw this in a video because I'm out with my family. We having a good time making memories. But anyway, so the food that we got, why our receipt for both was $32.96. So Miracle's food was $32.96, and then my husband's food was $32.96. That's like so much of a coincidence, right?
And you got 2 separate things. She got 2 separate things.
About the receipts being the same.
I think that means something, and to play it in the lottery. That's what I said.
Yeah, I think so too. She said next time what?
No crunchy things at the top. Why is this plate so heavy?
The plate do be having fat on it.
Yeah, that's why God is showing us open house.
Yeah, elevator inside the house.
Yeah. And shut it. That's tough.
That's right. So anyway, to make a long story short, so I went back to the where's my cheese? My cheese. Oh, right. Like I told you guys, I'm filming too, so this is real life, real. Okay, beautiful people, I hope you all have been enjoying this video so far. And if you have been enjoying this video, be sure to like and comment. Also, subscribe to my channel and become a chat partner. So guys, this portion of the video, I have it muted because I was on live and just wanted to touch base with everyone, just check in, see how everyone is doing. And I have to say, guys, going live with you all, making my egg muffins and salmon cakes, it was a lot of fun. So guys, right now I am cracking the eggs for the egg muffins. So for the egg muffins, I added spinach, mushrooms, red onion, bell peppers, and I added some seasonings. And the seasonings that I added was Himalayan salt, ginger for digestion. I added some red pepper flakes, garlic powder, and onion powder. I also added a little mild hot sauce. I added some parsley, and I added some vegan cheese. And guys, let me just say, it was really, really good. One thing about it, guys, whenever you make egg muffins, the recipes are endless because you can make egg muffins with broccoli and cheese. You can just make it with cheese. You can add sausage, bacon, tofu. And guys, to me, egg muffins is something that is good that you can prepare and meal prep while you're on your weight loss journey because it's high in protein. And plus, you can make a batch and it can last you a couple of days. So this is me showing you guys how you can make egg muffins for breakfast during your weight loss journey. And guys, also with egg muffins, you can eat them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's however you want to eat them. And with egg muffins, it's a good meal to eat on the go as well. Okay, guys, so now I'm using the rest of the spinach that I had to add to the egg muffins, and I'm getting ready to wash it, guys. Please, please, please make sure you wash your vegetables. Even though the packaging might say pre-washed, still wash your vegetables. Even if it's a salad that's in the bag, the chopped salad, still take those vegetables out and wash them. Rinse them off, however you want to say it. Just make sure you clean your vegetables. Always clean your vegetables. Guys, I wanted to share with you. I actually shared it on the live. So make sure you watch the live video, guys. It's 2 videos back to back, a part 1 and part 2, because I actually got cut off. But I wanted to share with you guys that I had a great experience where I was able to do Zumba for Amateur Day. And guys, I performed a Zumba routine in front of like 30 people. And it was a lot of fun, guys. I really, really enjoyed myself. And it seems like the crowd enjoyed themselves as well. So yeah, guys, also, if you would like to do Zumba virtual with me or just exercise in general with me virtually, my email address is in the description below. Comment below and let me know if you are someone who likes to meal prep. And if so, do you like to meal prep for the week or just for a couple of days? Also, let me know if you like to meal prep all your meals for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, or just for a particular meal such as just breakfast. Guys, I would love to hear all about it. Also, comment some recipes that you all would like for me to try. Okay, my chat partners, so now it is time for me to make the salmon cakes. And the salmon cakes I used the pink salmon out of the can, and I added an egg, and I added some seasoning. And guys, whenever you make salmon cakes, you can add whatever seasonings that you like to fit your taste buds. I also added some red bell pepper and some onions. And guys, I want to apologize if you can hear that noise in the background because someone is actually outside cutting grass. And so that may pick up in the background. So yeah, guys. Back to the salmon cakes though. Also, I had some rice. And guys, I only had like a little bit of rice. So what I did was I added it to the salmon cakes to maybe help it stick together better. That was my first time ever doing it. And it worked out okay. One time. Egg bites. And salmon cake. Curtis messing with Princess. What? Curtis messing with Princess. Hey beautiful people, we have come to the end of the video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed watching me meal prep my breakfast for the next couple of days, making egg muffins and salmon cakes. I also hope you guys enjoy spending the day with me. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.